Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has declared that Hamas will be disarmed either through diplomacy or by military force following the group's partial acceptance of US President Donald Trump's proposed Gaza peace plan. The statement came just a day after Hamas agreed to key elements of the plan, including the release of hostages and a ceasefire. In a video message released Sunday, Netanyahu made it clear that Israel does not intend to fully withdraw from Gaza. The Israeli military will remain in the territories it currently controls, he said, adding that Hamas would be disarmed in the second phase of the peace plan, either diplomatically through Trump's proposal or militarily by us. Netanyahu warned, "This will happen the easy way or the hard way." The Israeli leader expressed hope that a breakthrough on hostage releases is near. "We are on the verge of a very significant achievement," Netanyahu said. "I hope to announce in the coming days during Sukkot the return of all our hostages, both living and deceased." Talks between Israel and Hamas are set to continue in Egypt on Monday. According to Netanyahu, Israeli forces remain active in key areas within Gaza, reinforcing the notion that any peace agreement will not immediately result in full withdrawal. Hamas accepted parts of Trump's plan on Friday, including an end to hostilities, Israeli withdrawal, a prisoner exchange, and post-war reconstruction. This came after Trump issued an ultimatum for Hamas to agree by Sunday evening or face severe consequences. Trump also warned Israel to halt its airstrikes, though hours later, 6 Palestinians were killed in Israeli raids. Earlier Sunday, Trump claimed that Israel had agreed to an initial withdrawal line. "Once Hamas confirms, a ceasefire will be immediately effective," he said. He also promised it would mark a turning point in ending what he called a 3,000-year catastrophe.